When patients are missing multiple teeth or all of their teeth, basically they have three options to replace the missing teeth. They can either go with traditional dentures, they can go with implant-supported dentures, which we also refer to as overdentures, or they can go with the implant-supported full-arch restoration. The advantage of involving implants underneath dentures or restorations is that it gives the patient a lot more retention, so it feels more like real teeth. We know from a lot of our patients they suffer from dentures that are loose, they have to put the gooey adhesive stuff in them, they can't keep them in place, which makes it hard to eat. They also cover their whole palate, which affects their taste, and they don't feel like they can chew and bite into foods like they would with obviously natural teeth. What implant-supported full arch options give the patient is as close as you can get to real teeth. They're not removable, they stay in place, and they preserve the bone, so long term the patient is not losing bone and the bone is not resorbing. The other option, which also involves implants, is the implant-supported overdenture, which still is a removable denture. However, it stays in place much better than a regular denture. We don't have to cover the palate as much, and especially for the bottom, it's really a good solution because they keep them in place, keep them solid, and at home they can pop those out, they can clean them, and then put them right back in. You know, a lot of patients who choose to go with the full arch implant-supported option have had a lot of dental work done, and they're really what we call dentally exhausted. They're really tired of fixing and more teeth and dealing with infections. They just want a solution, a long-term solution. And a lot of the reason for that is because they've lost a lot of bone, they lost a lot of tooth support. So having a full arch option is a great way for them to find a long-term, one-time solution. Patients really transform their life, not just aesthetically, but their overall health.